National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay, Peacockset River to Boones Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island. Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia until 5:30 p.m. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Shadyside to White Point Beach, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel in very cold water. Locations and taxes include Choptank River, Hooper Island Light, Eastern Bay, Blackonet Point, Southwest Middle Grounds, Cuckold Creek, Coles Point, Herring Bay, St. George Island, Point No Point, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Calvert Cliffs, The Targets, Richland Point Buoy, Poplar Island, St. Clement Bay, Nats Narrows Bridge, Piney Point and mouth of the Potomac River,